Have you ever seen a cold-hearted man? They seem distant and heartless. But have you ever wondered why are they like this? They aren't born that way, and they don't lack emotions. But it is the exact opposite. They are this way because of the pain, the betrayal they got, and how people treated them. They were the men who always cared and lived a happy life. The world makes a man suppressed and breaks them. But as a man, this is the dark reality that makes a man from an emotional person to the man who doesn't give a shit about the world. The stoic always seems to be unfazed and cold-hearted. But under his toughness, there is always a big wound. When I was a boy, I had no love, no appreciation, and wasn't taught that well. When I grew up, I was a cold-hearted man who had no empathy towards others. I did not care what people thought of me, and the traumatizing past gave me nightmares, and I know many guys feel the same. Actually, this is a defense mechanism which is called as avoidant attachment style because they do not want to get attached to the people to feel that pain. Betrayal. Again, we have seen Army veterans become cold-hearted as they have seen hell on earth. They know how to deal with the pain, but the reality is that it doesn't take a war to make a man cold-hearted. There are many different things that may make you cold-hearted. Maybe you were not accepted, or you were rejected every time, or someone never wanted to be around you. They thought you are a fool. But at the end of the day, what matters is how we, as a man, improves. You may think it will never happen to you, but it does. We all have a breaking point. Do you want to be cold-hearted and stop caring? Of course not. We as humans always want partners. We are missing one of the biggest experiences of our life. A cold-hearted man, deep down, always seeks human intimacy, but won't admit it. It is something he craves deep down from his soul, but at the same time he will tell himself that a cold heart is a heavy burden to carry, but it's better than a broken one. They armor themselves with a shield, and they don't want to connect to people and socialize while other men consume rage and hatred. They pick up a sword and attack the world. Both methods are detrimental because they don't allow us to make allies. Do not misunderstand it. Both the shield and the sword are tools we must control. You must know when to lower your guard and sword and be kind. In other words, the best man could become cold-hearted when it is wanted, and he can also socialize and make connections to upgrade himself and take benefit from it. They can also be warm, kind, and compassionate. You need to get out of this. I know it is easy to say, but you have to. Otherwise, you will also hurt the people who wanted good for you. Brother, I recommend you to subscribe and hit the like button, as I am on a mission to make this new generation of men one of the strongest generations. Society is killing the masculine energy of young men like us, and I look forward to seeing the feedbacks you will give to our videos and concept. Peace out.